Introducing DecisionLender. One system, one solution for consumer lending. DecisionLender is designed to maintain lending for a variety of your consumer loan origination needs. Easily configurable and designed with the future in mind, DecisionLender is a flexible, feature-rich loan origination platform that streamlines your consumer lending with light IT requirements, customizable decisioning rules, a proprietary digital portal that connects to other key lending portals, and a host of important third-party integrations, such as e-signature, digital documentation, warranties, and gap insurance. DecisionLender gives your customers an exceptional mobile-friendly experience with 24/7 loan origination capabilities, save and resume functionality, robust safeguards, and multiple security and risk controls. And your team gets an enhanced paperless back-office experience with automated application acceptance and real-time decisioning abilities based on your custom decisioning rules. DecisionLender maintains audit controls, exception tracking, and robust permission management, giving you greater lending flexibility to support a new world of on-the-go underwriting for both direct and indirect installment lending. DecisionLender from MeridianLink, a complete lending solution for consumer finance companies. Request a demo today and find out how DecisionLender can help you accelerate your clients' important financial moments.